The Name in Medical Science and Practice Award. The title outlines personal contribution to medical science, achievements in the development of national healthcare, as well as contributions to solving regional and global social and environmental problems. The Name in Medical Practice and Science Award is presented to Zoran Žgaljardić, the owner of the Centre for Aesthetic Surgery, Dr. Žgaljardić from Croatia. Well, hello, Dr. Žgaljardić, and how are you today?
Hello, I'm very good. And how are you today?
Very well indeed. It's lovely to see you.
Yes,
a very impressive video. If you wouldn't mind, I have a few questions to ask you about your work and about your clinic. What are the key factors of being among the European leaders in cosmetic surgery, which you obviously are?
First of all, you have had talent. After talent came hard work, long time of long hours in operating room, expertise. That means to succeed in any business is always a 4C: commitment, communication, connections, and creativity. Now we came from the first commitment to creativity, that if you're not creative in this technical, surgical, life risky job, then will not come success for sure.
Right.
If you're on safety side, with your little bit mind that is different working of normal people, then you will change something and do something new with good results.
That's very impressive. Those four points, very impressive indeed. So we know that your centre received a lot of international awards and recognitions. What does this particular award, the Name in Medical Science, mean to you?
As any award, as an award of Socrates Committee and scientific award, it's a heavy for any person for following time which is coming. That means that you have to upgrade even more your job. That's to be honest also with the community who gave you so prestigious name as a title or a title as a name in the medical science and the practice. That means that you are something, and you have to prove that all the time, more and more, with new techniques, less downtime after operation, more safety, and to have bigger and bigger smile of your clients when you see them on your check.
That's a lovely way of putting it. Good. You mentioned keeping up to date with things. So what are the latest research areas in the medical sphere that you implement in practice?
I did implement the new technique in rejuvenation. Everybody of us knows that we get older and we cannot stop our age. But how is our mind? How we look like in the morning when we wake up? It's a challenge for each of us. So I did implement a combination of technology, chemical peels, and mesotherapy to rejuvenate facial aging things with the really no downtime. Tomorrow you can go to work, and I call this technique faceage. That means face a Žgaljardić. So it's really now top treatment in my clinic, and it's a non-surgical treatment. And with this treatment, even we maintain after facelifting long time. And the second thing, how I'm pioneering laser-assisted liposuction. I'm doing in the last 2 years a protocol for skin tightening with that laser. This is basically endolift techniques with facelifting and some tightening of the skin to improve the collagen and the height of the face.
Splendid. Dr. Žgaljardić, thank you very, very much for your time today. And once again, congratulations upon your award. And a Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Merry Christmas to you. And I'm very honored to be again with you. All the best in New Year.
Thank you.